Dear colleagues, my name is Gerdes, head of the Clinical Trial Unit at the Department of Dermatology of the University Medical Center Schleswig-Holstein in Kiel, Germany. And I am the coordinating principal investigator for the AFFIRM 35 study of Izokibep in patients with plaque-type psoriasis. IL-17 inhibitors have demonstrated robust efficacy in psoriasis. However, most cytokine inhibitors are monoclonal antibodies, which have a large size and may not penetrate tissues effectively. To overcome this problem, the research team at Affibody in Sweden and their colleagues at Acelerin in the US developed Izokibep, a small protein molecule with a high affinity for IL-17A and binding site to albumin, with a favorable biodistribution to sites of inflammation. In this double-blind, randomized, multicenter phase 2 dose-finding study, we evaluated the efficacy of Izokibep versus placebo in 106 patients with moderate to severe plaque-type psoriasis. Izokibep was tested at doses ranging from 2 to 160 mg subcutaneously given every 2 weeks for 12 weeks. The primary outcome was a proportion of patients with a PASI 90 response at week 12. Izokibep showed rapid dose-dependent efficacy. At the highest doses, the majority of Izokibep-treated patients achieved a PASI 90 response at week 12, compared with no patients in the placebo group. Other efficacy outcomes also showed substantial improvements. Adverse events were similar in the Izokibep and placebo groups, except for mild injection site reactions and diarrhea, both of which diminished over time. After 12 weeks, placebo patients were switched to Izokibep 80 mg and doses were optimized based on PASI responses. The core study continued until week 52 with 2 optional 1-year long-term extensions. At the highest Izokibep doses, efficacy was maintained over 3 years and the drug continued to be well tolerated with no new safety signals. Our data indicate that Izokibep may be a valuable option for the treatment of plaque-type psoriasis. Because there were no dose-limiting toxicities, higher dose levels or more frequent dosing could be explored to further enhance response rates.